Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top tips for easy cooking recipes that you can start using right away. You think you're too busy to cook? We're going to blow your minds with how simple it is to make delicious food at home. Forget the takeaways. Forget the frozen dinners. It's time to get in the kitchen. Let's get cooking. Listen up. Easy cooking starts with smart choices. We're talking about the backbone of your dish. Chicken is a versatile bird. Roast it, fry it, grill it, even stuff it. Or maybe you're leaning towards tofu. Tofu is a blank canvas for flavor. These are the workhorses of your kitchen. Get some chicken breasts or firm tofu and let's get started. Transform these humble ingredients into something spectacular. It's all about building confidence. Once you've mastered these basics, you'll be unstoppable. Alright, let's talk shortcuts. Pre-chopped veggies, pre-marinated meats, chopped onions, lifesaver, pre-washed salad bags, genius. Use your time wisely. Focus on perfecting flavors. Jarred garlic, handy. Fresh is best, but shortcuts help. Alright, let's talk about efficiency. That's where one-pot meals come in. These are your new best friends, believe me. We're talking about chucking everything into one pot, letting it simmer away, and voila, dinner is served. Less washing up, more time for enjoying your delicious food. Think about it. A hearty stew with tender chunks of beef and vegetables, all bathed in a rich gravy. Or maybe a fragrant curry packed with spices and bursting with flavor, all from one single pot. Listen, a good old-fashioned pot on the stove is okay, but sometimes you need to embrace technology, and in the kitchen, that means gadgets. First up, we've got the slow cooker. This is a game changer. You just throw your ingredients in, set it, and forget it. Come home to perfectly cooked meals every single time. Then there's the Instant Pot. This thing is a pressure cooker on steroids. It can cook food in a fraction of the time, meaning you can have dinner on the table in minutes. Perfect for those busy weeknights. And let's not forget about blenders, food processors, even those fancy air fryers. Those gadgets are here to make your life easier, not harder. So don't be afraid to embrace them. Now, listen up. This last tip is the most important one of all. If you want to conquer easy cooking, you need to get organized. That means meal planning. It's easy, it's not rocket science. Start by planning out your meals for the week. Write it down, stick it on the fridge, whatever works for you. This way you know exactly what you need to buy at the supermarket and won't be caught off guard. Then prep your ingredients ahead of time. Chop those veggies, portion out your meat, get everything ready to go. That way, when it comes to cooking, it's just a matter of throwing it all together. A little bit of planning goes a long way. It'll save you time, stress, and even money in the long run. And who knows, you might even start to enjoy cooking. There you have it. Top tips for easy cooking that'll make you feel good in kitchen. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple tricks and a bit of confidence, Anyone can create delicious food at home. Thanks for watching. What's your favorite easy recipe to cook at home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Have a great night or day. Until next time.